Welcome to AutoRevive. At a price of $8,000 per ton, we bought this pile of scrap and rusted car shells from the Junkyard. They said at this price, it's not even worth it for scrap iron. But I know, this was the benchmark of 90s American luxury. The Cadillac Fleetwood. Today, I'll take you to witness how this pile of scrap turns back into a top-tier million-dollar luxury car. First, separate the body and the chassis. Oil leaks and rust. It's getting ready to leak fluid all over us. Successfully lifted out this antique big V8, completely covered in oil sludge. Common problems of old cars, oil and coolant leaks. This time, we'll fix them all at once. It's too old. The bolts snapped right off. The previous repair shop didn't stop the leaks at all. The timing chain has also aged and stretched. Engine teardown is complete. We've tallied the aged and damaged parts. Imported original factory parts have arrived. Let's start assembly. The unique charm of the classic American Big V8. It's going in. Engine assembly is complete. The transmission shifts with jerks and slipping. After teardown, we found many burnt clutch plates. We'll ultrasonically clean, reassemble, and restore it. The core powertrain is in place. Next is the foundation of the vehicle, the chassis. The heavily rusted frame surface is reborn after sandblasting. Then through e-coating, we put a layer of protective armor from the inside out to prevent rust. Starting e-coating. Under the electric field, the paint will evenly adhere to the entire body, including the inner cavities. Chassis paint before and after comparison. The body restoration enters its most thorough stage. All wiring harnesses and interior parts are removed. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. With the body shell completely stripped, we have prepared this steel shell. The highest standard of classic car restoration, full body e-coating. Only coating can give an old car a true rebirth. Starting degreasing, using an alkaline degreaser to remove oil stains and dust. Deionized water rinsing to wash away residual dirt and degreaser. Surface activation, forming an active layer on the metal surface in preparation for phosphating. Phosphating forms a crystalline phosphate film on the body surface, making the e-coat paint adhere more firmly. Finally, washing off residual phosphating chemicals, ready for e-coating. Entering the core process. The car body carries a negative charge. The e-coat bath carries a positive charge. The paint offers 360-degree dead-angle free coverage, evenly adhering to the body, including unreachable inner cavities and interlayers. Finally, it's sent to the oven for curing at 200 degrees high temperature. E-coating complete. Moving to the painting stage, which gives it color and soul. After epoxy primer leveling, we apply the original color-based coat. And finally, there are sun chains. The chassis also gets a complete makeover. All chassis components are sandblasted and rust removed. Rust-proof paint is absolutely essential. First spray epoxy primer for rust prevention, then spray chassis armor to improve protection. Parts needing restoration are done. New OEM replacement parts have arrived. Let's start assembling. The engine is mounted back into the car. Do you think the restored exhaust pipe passes the test? Let's handle the messy interior wiring. Tearing off the aged tape. Wrapping it in brand new flame retardant tape. Replacing the brittle, aged corrugated tubes on the engine harness. Starting the fuel tank restoration, spraying foam cleaner generously. Look at this before and after comparison. Deep sterilizing and cleaning the carpet, eradicating the old car smell. For old cars, the AC system must be perfectly cleaned. The core evaporator is thoroughly cleaned. Showing off the perfectly clean parts. Your life. The restored frame and body shell are finally reunited. This old car is finally standing on the ground again in the truest sense. Filling up all fluids, getting ready for the first ignition. Repairing the worn and broken buttons. After smoothing the surface, laser engraving the symbols. Recovering it in our premium OE style leather. Now we can install the glass. Reinstalling the restored interior. Finally, washing, polishing, and detailing the car. Thanks for watching AutoRevive.